Hello beautiful people, you're super welcome back to my channel, T Elegant Natural Beauty and Fabulosity channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and if you're old, you are super welcome. Alright guys, so onto this video I'm going to be showing you the amazing benefits of baking soda, but today is on another dimension, a dimension that most of you haven't heard about yet. Alright guys, please check below. You see the subscribe button, click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Comment, share your thoughts, let me know how this beautiful homemade remedy works for you. So guys, I had these stockings that was really itchy. Most times I wear it, anytime I wear it out I just feel like pulling it and putting it right inside my bag. It was giving me great discomfort. I was thinking of getting rid of it before a friend of mine asked what to do. So guys, I used baking soda on the stockings, and I tell you that I have not been facing that problem ever again. I don't feel it's just restricted to only stockings, because even there are some clothes, most times some beautiful clothes, so most times you wear them, you find out that they are itching you, you just can't take it, you just feel like pulling them off and just putting them right inside your bag, or you just feel like going back home to change and all of that. I feel it will also work on that, although I've not tried it. I just tried it with stockings and I got amazing results, and I'm sure that if you try it with clothes also, you are gonna get the same results just like I did, although I'm also gonna try it on that level to also be sure. So guys, I'm sure when you try this you're gonna get amazing results. Please do try this out and let me know on the comment section how it works for you. Some clothes can irritate your skin and may even cause rash. This can be caused by certain laundry detergents and can also be aggravated by certain dirty clothes rubbing against the skin, mostly due to the oils and dandruff that get trapped in the fabric. A lot of things causes itching, so most times you don't even know how to avoid them. So guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to do this with these stockings. Baking soda, technically known as sodium bicarbonate, is very similar to the compound known as washing soda, sodium bicarbonate, and can serve the same function in the laundry. It is a very mild alkaline powder that slightly raises the pH of water when it is mixing it. It is also a mild antiseptic that will discourage bacterial growth. So guys, I'm going to be adding detergent to this. I'm sure everyone is familiar with detergent, so I'm not going to explain it. But I tell you, adding baking soda to your regular amount of detergent truly will make your colored clothes brighter and your white whiter. I'm going to allow it sit on this hot water for a couple of minutes so that the antiseptic properties in baking soda can help soak very well to enable the bacteria causing itching to die a natural death. According to dryer combos, sun is a natural sanitizer, so if you dry your clothes under sun, they will smell cleaner and fresher. The ultraviolet rays in sun helps to bleach and disinfect laundry. This is particularly beneficial to white sheets, towel, clothes, socks, diapers. However, for dark-colored clothes, excessive sunlight can cause some harm. To keep them in the shade if possible to prevent fading. Ironing will also play a good role in getting rid of itching because the heat of the iron will help get rid of bacteria and every other thing that is causing itching or irritating your skin. Alright, beautiful people, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope this video was helpful. Please, if this video was helpful, consider subscribing. See you on my next video. Stay beautiful. Bye.